From the fertile, sun-drenched fields of Southeast Asia, a journey of tropical perfection begins.
Only the sweetest, most mature pineapples, kissed by the tropical sun, are selected.
Crates full, the precious cargo is rushed from the farm to the processing facility.
Efficiency and hygiene are paramount as the raw fruit enters the factory gates. A rigorous inspection ensures only the finest fruit continues on the line.
A high-pressure cleansing removes all dirt and field residue.
Sophisticated automation handles the complex task of peeling with speed and zero waste. The perfect golden cylinders are now ready for their designated purpose.
Coring removes the inedible center, preparing the fruit for its final form. For canned rings, precise geometry is everything. Quality control is constant.
A mesmerizing process where speed meets absolute precision. A balanced syrup is added to preserve the flavor and texture of the fruit.
Heating and deaeration are critical steps for long-term preservation and safety. The final seal locks in the freshness, creating a shelf-stable product.
Sterilization in a high-temperature retort guarantees the safety and longevity of the product.
Rapid cooling preserves the ideal texture and flavor of the fruit.
From raw fruit to the familiar shelf-ready product, perfection sealed.
But the journey of the pineapple is not over. Every part of the fruit is valued.
High-tech extractors maximize yield, capturing every drop of the golden liquid. The raw juice is collected and stabilized in vast holding tanks.
Multiple stages of filtration refine the juice, removing unwanted solids for a cleaner taste.
Flash pasteurization rapidly heats the juice to eliminate bacteria while preserving natural flavor and nutrients. Rapid cooling ensures the juice retains its fresh, tropical essence.
Bottling takes place in a sterile environment to maintain the highest quality standards.
The final product is ready for global distribution, a taste of the tropics.
Legends. A contrasting delicacy begins its life in a completely different climate.
For the rich, deep flavor of grape syrup, only the finest, sun-ripened grapes are chosen.
The berries are separated from the stems, ready for the initial extraction.
Gentle pressing extracts the rich, complex juice that forms the base of the syrup. This rich juice must now be slowly and carefully reduced. Under vacuum, the juice slowly concentrates at a lower temperature, preserving the delicate flavors.
Precision testing ensures the syrup reaches the perfect consistency and sugar level.
The final, luxurious grape syrup, a natural, intense sweetener.
Bottled quickly, the concentrated syrup is ready to capture its rich flavor. A culinary masterpiece, ready to enrich kitchens across the globe. Not all fruit is destined for rings. Other formats require specialized cutting.
Diced pieces are prepared for crushed pineapple, maintaining moisture and flavor.
A gentler crushing creates the ideal consistency for crushed pineapple products. The product is immediately sealed to lock in its texture and taste.
A symphony of tropical production, destined for markets worldwide. The journey concludes, delivering the taste of the sun to every corner of the world.
Every single dimension is checked to meet the company's rigorous standards.
The natural sweetness of the pineapple is precisely monitored and recorded.
Food safety is the absolute priority. Zero tolerance for contaminants. Commitment to the environment means responsible water usage and waste management. The entire fruit is utilized. Nothing is wasted. Sustainability is key. Further purification ensures the grape syrup's ultimate clarity and purity.
Islini. The natural acidity is carefully measured and controlled for perfect balance.
Rapid cooling locks the concentration at the ideal level before packaging.
Two worlds, two fruits, united by the commitment to pure, natural flavor.
The initial trimming must be flawless for the subsequent steps. Each segment of the machine performs a high-precision, singular task. Advanced sensors monitor performance, ensuring consistent output and efficiency. Laboratory alignment ensures every can is filled flawlessly and quickly.
The warm syrup aids in the de-aeration process, a silent safeguard.
Infrared technology confirms the cans are reaching the optimal internal temperature for vacuum creation.
The double seam is a high-tech seal, creating an impenetrable, airtight barrier. A quick inversion ensures the lid and headspace are fully sterilized by the hot product. Precision labeling prepares the product for the global marketplace. Random sampling and automated quality checks maintain a zero-defect standard. Centrifugal force is used to efficiently and rapidly separate the heavier pulp from the liquid juice.
A multi-stage process results in a beautifully clear and consistent juice.
The brief, intense flash heat preserves the vibrant flavor profile. Stored under an inert atmosphere, the juice is protected from any oxidation or degradation.
The final bottling is conducted in a Class 100 cleanroom, ensuring absolute sterility.
A secure, tamper-proof seal guarantees product integrity from factory to shelf.
Each pallet is securely wrapped, protecting the bottles during transit.
Energy efficiency is vital. Heat is recycled to minimize the factory's environmental footprint.
A final polishing filter gives the syrup its signature brilliant clarity.
Despite automation, the human eye and touch remain the ultimate quality checkpoint.
The depth of flavor starts with world-class, carefully managed viticulture. A texture that speaks of natural reduction and intense flavor. Respect for the land and the people is fundamental to our operation.
Continuous preventative maintenance ensures zero downtime and peak performance.
Two distinct tastes, two different delights, crafted to perfection.
From the first spring bud to the rich autumnal harvest, nature takes its time. Extraction is gentle. Only the finest, free-run juice is desired.
The viscous syrup requires a dedicated system for controlled temperature reduction.
The natural goodness of the pineapple is fully preserved for maximum health benefit. Unadulterated and pure, the intense flavor comes from a single, natural source. Custom cutting for specific product formats, maintaining sharp aesthetics. Specific syrup concentrations cater to varied consumer preferences. Volumetric filling ensures exact weight in every can of crushed product. Product density dictates a unique thermal process for absolute safety.
Flavor consistency is achieved by expert blending of different production runs. Vacuum treatment removes dissolved gases, preventing flavor degradation and ensuring product stability. A vast, synchronized operation built on precision, quality, and scale.
While technology has evolved, the commitment to concentration and quality remains unchanged.
Continuous sensor monitoring protects the integrity of the premium packaging. From the vine to the consumer, handled with care and high-tech precision.
The natural cycle continues, nurtured by the tropical ecosystem.
The inherent structure of the fruit is the starting point of flavor. Initial cleaning is thorough but gentle to protect the fruit's integrity.
The commitment to zero waste drives the utilization of every component. Automated fail-safes ensure that only perfectly pasteurized juice proceeds. The finished product is stored in optimal conditions, awaiting its voyage.
The unique mineral composition of the soil imbues the grapes with their signature character.
Natural sedimentation is utilized to gently clarify the juice before reduction.
Maintaining flow without high temperatures requires careful, constant temperature control.
Pure, intense, and distinct. The promise of nature, delivered by technology.
Filling. The precise helical cut minimizes fruit loss and maximizes yield.
A final pass under UV light ensures the surface is absolutely pristine.
A gentle positive pressure of inert gas protects the syrup from atmospheric contact.
For industrial and food service clients, the product is packaged in sterile, high-volume formats. Full traceability is maintained, tracking every batch from farm to final distribution.
A rapid, controlled thermal treatment maximizes the extraction of deep color and complex flavor compounds.
The depth of color and intensity of flavor is a testament to the specialized extraction technique. High-pressure homogenization guarantees a perfectly smooth, stable, and consistent syrup texture. Where traditional care meets modern mastery. No resource is left untapped. A cycle of sustainable production.
Every harvest is the planting of the next generation.
The final product, a perfect balance of texture, sweetness, and color.
The preserving syrup is prepared with pure, high-grade sugar and purified water. A highly complex sequence, simplified for total quality control. Every bottle undergoes optical inspection before being entrusted with the final product.
Flexible automation allows for rapid, customized packaging solutions.
Initial coarse filtration prepares the must for the critical pressing stage.
Color and clarity are continuously monitored against the established quality benchmark.
The products of these two meticulous processes reach consumers across continents.
Quality in every form, from the whole fruit segment to the concentrated essence.
Surgical precision ensures maximum fruit retention and a clean cylinder. Custom-engineered blades guarantee a smooth, clean extraction of the central core. A brief blanching improves texture and aids in achieving the perfect vacuum seal. The can's interior is coated with a protective lacquer, ensuring no metal-to-product interaction. Digital inventory management ensures a dynamic and responsive supply chain. Critical data, batch number, and expiration is indelibly marked for full traceability.
Concentration is a precise science. Halted on the moment, peak density is achieved. The intense heat from concentration is instantly neutralized for preservation.
Premium product demands a premium presentation, rich in detail and elegance.
The final essence of the grape, a true expression of the harvest.
Natural and regenerative farming practices nourish the soil for future growth.
The human element provides the final, detailed quality check.
Line maintenance is immediate and continuous to prevent contamination or damage. Syrup temperature must be precisely controlled for effective de-aeration in the cans. The seam is a high-tech marvel of engineering, creating a hermetic seal. Final quality checks ensure zero sediment and a flawlessly clear product. An absolute final rinse ensures the bottles are particle-free before filling.
The pursuit of quality starts long before the harvest, with meticulous winter pruning.
The gentle, slow press action minimizes the extraction of harsh tannins from the seeds and skins.
A final pass under rare earth magnets ensures the absolute purity of the finished syrup.
The moment the quality is released.
Nourished by the monsoon climate, the fruit thrives.
The pineapple core yields bromelain, a valuable enzyme with various applications.
Advanced scientific analysis ensures the optimal, true pineapple flavor profile.
High-velocity filtered air removes any last microscopic particles.
Pomace is not forgotten. Seeds are pressed to yield valuable, healthy oils. A symphony of natural sugars and complex, concentrated flavor notes. Sealed, secure, and ready for the long journey across the seas.
Across thousands of miles, the delicate cargo remains perfectly preserved.
The ultimate refreshment and the purest essence. the fruits of meticulous labor.
Inline optical measurement guarantees optimal fruit yield and minimal core inclusion. A simple, natural acid wash locks in the bright, golden color of the rings.
Volumetric accuracy is constantly re-verified for product uniformity and legal compliance.
Automated vision systems check the integrity of every seam at 1,000 cans per minute. Investing in a quieter workspace is a key part of our employee welfare commitment.
Ultrasonic technology increases extraction efficiency and prepares the juice for ultra-clarification. Positive pressure airflow in the clean room prevents any external contamination.
Careful use of food-grade cultures enhances the natural clarity and flavor profile.
The last polishing step ensures the syrup has its signature, brilliant, clean shine.
The finished syrup rests in ideal conditions, awaiting its final journey.
The pineapple's waste is converted into energy, powering the very plant that processed it.
Optimizing the cut yields perfect rings and minimizes unusable material. Precise count ensures consistent serving size in every can.
The critical cool down prevents overcooking and locks in the final texture.
Cap tightness is constantly checked to guarantee the seal's integrity. Non-thermal UV treatment provides an extra layer of microbial security without affecting flavor.
Consistency for every need, from smooth liquid to rich, crushed texture.
The support system is crucial for optimal sun exposure and air circulation.
A measured touch of natural antioxidant protects the rich color and flavor over time. Thermal preparation of the glass prevents shock and ensures a clean, condensation-free fill.
The final, elegant seal preserves the premium quality within.
The combined harvest of 2 continents sets forth on its global distribution journey.
The dedication and pride who make all possible.
Hygiene is non-negotiable. The entire line is sanitized after every production cycle.
Laser alignment ensures dimensional consistency for a premium presentation. Every aspect of the process, from energy to water, is managed with environmental responsibility. Our commitment extends to the product's end of life, encouraging recycling and reuse.
Vigilant summer canopy management focuses the vine's energy into the best fruit.
Sanitation is vital to prevent any microbial activity or cross-contamination between batches.
Specialized piston fillers manage the syrup's high viscosity with flawless precision.
Prioritizing the health and well-being of every farm worker.
Optical sorting provides a high-speed, infallible quality check on every piece of fruit. Continuous measurement of components is vital for the integrity of the final seal. Robotic stacking guarantees the most stable and secure pallet structure.
The natural acidity is fine-tuned for optimal flavor balance and preservation. Detailed labeling ensures zero risk of cross-contamination between products.
Natural pest management supports the vineyard's rich biodiversity.
Temperature control is key from the start, protecting the delicate aromatics.
Accurate metering guarantees perfect yield accounting and quality control.
2 lines of excellence, operating in synchronized, silent precision.
The natural day concludes, readying the farm for the next cycle.
Visual inspection confirms the flawless presentation of the preserved fruit.
The integrity of the double seam is micro-analyzed for strength and perfection.
A final forced air drying ensures clean packaging and prevents rust.
The aseptic seal is an impenetrable barrier, protecting the product without refrigeration.
Ready for shipping. Convenience, quality, and tropical flavor preserved. The communal effort of the harvest, a tradition of care and collaboration.
Microporous ceramic filtration provides a gentle, yet absolute clarification of the juice.
Controlled cooling stabilizes the product and prevents thermal stress on the premium glass.
Partnership, quality, and trust, the foundations of global production. Even the hardest part of the fruit is repurposed efficiently.
The syrup gently permeates the fruit, ensuring long-lasting color and texture.
Every sterilization cycle is recorded and verified against rigorous safety standards. A final, non-toxic coating protects the can exterior from humidity and rust.
The final, subjective test, a trained palate ensures the flavor is perfect.
The tamper-proof seal provides instant, visible confirmation of product security.
The vineyard's unique microclimate imparts a distinct complexity to the fruit.
Removing dissolved air prevents any risk of oxidation and ensures flavor purity.
Fragile but premium, each bottle is secured with customized packaging.
Global quality, preserved for your table.
Gowning procedures are strictly enforced for the highest level of product safety.
Purified water, the essential, invisible ingredient in every product. Destructive testing ensures the seal is hermetic, capable of withstanding the retort process.
Automated storage and retrieval systems optimize inventory management and space.
The simplest test remains the most important: visual inspection of absolute clarity.
The induction sealing adds an invisible layer of foil-based freshness protection beneath the cap.
Generational knowledge and a deep respect for the land guide the harvest. A gentle pump action ensures the valuable seeds remain whole and their bitter compounds are not released.
Viscosity is the final measure of concentration, ensuring the perfect, luxurious mouthfeel.
The purest expression of the grape, concentrated to a rich perfection.
The rapid efficiency of the harvest minimizes field time and maximizes freshness.
Moisture content is precisely controlled for the optimal use of the byproducts.
Geometric precision in stacking ensures a stable pallet for global shipping.
Automated strapping locks the pallet together for robust transit security.
Clean-in-place technology guarantees a sterile environment without manual entry.
Final weight check ensures product consistency and compliance in every single bottle.
Water management is precise. Drip irrigation ensures optimal hydration with zero waste.
Ultra-fine filtration guarantees a product that is not just clear, but absolutely pristine.
A quick, mild thermal treatment ensures the external seal area is fully sterilized.
Fruits of nature and science, ready for endless culinary creativity.
The co-product is packaged for immediate use in the agricultural supply chain.
Constant grading ensures a uniform crush texture. Any oversized pieces are rerouted to juice production. Accurate syrup preparation is crucial for balancing sweetness and preservation.
An absolute final security check. X-ray inspection guarantees zero foreign body contamination. Infrared measurement verifies the success of the induction seal's thermal bonding.
High-speed automation maintains the flow from the line to the warehouse. Strategic leaf removal ensures the grapes achieve their full, concentrated potential.
Rapid cooling aids in the natural removal of tartrates and ensures a pristine clarity.
The final aesthetic check, ensuring a premium look for a premium product.
The true taste of the tropical sun, captured in liquid form.
Continuous soil analysis ensures the long-term health and fertility of the farmland.
A rhythmic precision ensures every ring is the same thickness and dimension.
Viscosity control of the syrup is key to ensuring uniform fill and preservation quality.
External cleanliness is mandatory before the final sterilization process.
Multi-point monitoring ensures the juice is held in perfect, controlled stasis.
Alternative packaging formats provide extended shelf life and transport efficiency.
The desired profile. An intense yet perfectly balanced natural sweetness.
Preheating aids the efficiency of the vacuum concentration, saving energy and time.
Every detail, including the packaging closure, reflects the product's premium quality.
For peak freshness, specialized logistics utilize high-speed air freight. The natural cycle of life, the crown becomes the next fruit's foundation.
Color uniformity is a key aesthetic standard for canned pineapple rings.
The simple solution is meticulously prepared for perfect clarity and consistency.
Every finished product is digitally archived for future quality control reference. Hydrocyclone technology achieves ultra-fine separation, a step beyond traditional filtration.
The final, precise temperature drop ensures product stability for aseptic packaging.
Nature's own system of control is encouraged and respected in the vineyard.
A mild enzymatic process aids in the efficient reduction and clarity of the syrup base.
High-speed optical inspection ensures every bottle meets fill and presentation standards.
The final promise. Pure, preserved perfection.
Even off-spec pieces are utilized, pulverized for highly concentrated juice applications.
Safety systems are continuously monitored, protecting both product and personnel.
Another day of flawless production concludes. The line rests.
Nightly flow into the central warehouse, a model of logistics.
High-concentration juice is packaged in aseptic drums for global industrial partners. The integrity of the carton seal is non-destructively verified for long-term freshness.
Natural ventilation is a key factor in protecting the delicate fruit from moisture.
A final pass through a fine sieve confirms the juice is free of any large particulates.
The indelible laser mark provides a permanent and discrete traceability code. Final preparation for the long journey ahead.
Continuous training ensures the highest standards of safety and operational excellence.
The syrup displaces the air, a natural step in the preservation process.
Precision maintenance with certified food-grade lubricants ensures zero risk of contamination. Post-seal optical measurement confirms the dimensional integrity of the finished product. Master blenders combine various juice fractions for the perfect, standardized taste. Every carton is checked by weight for accurate volume and product consistency.
Healthy soil, rich in organic life, is the foundation of high-quality fruit.
A final pass under high-intensity UV light guarantees microbial stability without heat.
A vacuum-assisted capping process ensures a perfect, airtight seal every time. Temperature-controlled logistics maintain the perfect environment for the entire voyage.
Ensuring proper rest and hydration for the tropical climate work.
A continuous water rinse keeps the cutting blades perfectly clean and sharp.
Inline carton formation ensures a steady supply of perfect, strong packaging.
The final staging area is climate controlled for maximum product stability.
Transparency and clear information are provided for all consumer products.
Automated case packing protects the finished product for long-haul transport.
The seasonal cycle completes, leaving the land replenished for the next vintage.
A dedicated spiral system ensures a gentle, energy-optimized cool-down for the highly concentrated liquid.
Careful palletization ensures the fragile glass is fully protected during transport.
From refreshment to culinary indulgence, the versatile fruits of our labor.
Final destination. A wide variety of formats for every consumer need.
The choice of quality and trust made by the consumer.
Ready for your family, a taste of tropical freshness, anytime.
An essential ingredient for creating delicious, high-quality meals.
A healthy, refreshing part of the daily routine.
A luxurious staple, appreciated by gourmands and chefs alike.
The perfect, natural sweetener for a moment of indulgence.
A global operation, working around the clock to deliver quality. Precision. Purity. Perfection. From our fields
to your table.